Hi children. So in your question paper, you have case study questions. How many questions will be there in the question paper? There are 4 questions will be there in the question paper. So all the 4 questions are in the term, it is part A side, that is section number 2. Part A, there are 2 sections, first and second. So in the first section, we have all the MCQ questions, the problems related to all the chapters. Then after that, 4 questions we will get. That is a case study questions. Okay, so case study questions. So on the spot, you have to understand the problems and analyze the problems, and all the sub questions they are providing. Then you have to find the proper answers for that sub questions. Okay, so now here in all the 4 questions have choices. It means the internal choice questions we have. Okay, so in case study number 1, we have 5 questions. In that 5 questions, we have to write 4 questions. In that, all the 4 questions has 4 options. Okay, so in that 4 options, you have to select only 1 options. So for the first, I'm explaining the first case study questions that is related to coordinate geometry. So now you can see the case study question. Now, so I'm selecting the first case study question number 1. The class 10 students of secondary school in Krishinagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. Sampling of gulmar are planted on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in the below figure. Okay, the students are to sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. So this is the question paper. Then you can see that picture also in the question. Okay, so for this question we have graph. This problem is related to which one? It is coordinate geometry. You have to identify first. So ABCD is a rectangular plot. AD is x-axis and AB is y-axis, and each section has 1 meter. It is okay. So in that PQR are the triangle shape. It is there. Okay. So for that we have to find the question. Now first question it is, taking A as origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle PQR. So options are P of 4, 6, Q of 3, 2, R of 6, 5, and second option is P of 3, 2, Q of 4, 6, R of 6, 5, and third option is P of 4, 6, Q of 3, 2, R of 5, 6, and fourth option, last option is P of 4, 6, Q of 2, 3, and R of 6, 5. Okay, so in the diagram that represents the answer is I will explain now. See which is the correct option in that. You have to think now. Okay, so for that you can see how to draw a perpendicular line with the x-axis with the particular point P, Q, and R. Right. So like this, the red mark you can see that is a position. Okay, now first you have to write the P coordinates. The P coordinate is 4, 6. First you have to say the x coordinate. So 4, 6. The 4, 6 has 2 options. One is first option and another one is third options. So next option we have to check now. Q is 3, 2. You can see the figure. So Q x-axis is represents 3 and in the y-axis it's 2. So 3, 2. Which option is the correct? Again first and third option. So Q of 3, 2, Q of 3, 2 is both sides. Now we have to check R. R is 6, 5. Okay, so 6, 5 is R. That's the x-axis value we have to write first. It is a 6, 5. So which option is the correct option? First option is the correct option for that problem. Clear. Now second one is, what is the midpoint of side PQ when A is the origin? So if A is the origin, you have to find the midpoint of the point PQ. Okay, so P vertex is 4, 6 and Q vertex is 3, 2. For this we have to use a midpoint formula. You know the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we have to use that midpoint formula for this problem. So x1 is 4 plus 3 divided by 2 and 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So we will get 7 divided by 2 and 4. So which option is the correct option? Second option is the correct option. So children, you hope that all of you understood these two problems. Now the third one, it is C. What will be the coordinates of the vertices of triangle PQR if C is the origin? Okay. So four options are given. What will be the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle PQR if C is the origin? If C is the origin means we have to take the diagram in the reverse order. C is the origin. Now CB acts as a x-axis and CD acts as a y-axis. So in that x-axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 and y-axis also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. Then all the vertices we have to write now. P is represents with the 12, 2. P is 12, 2. Okay. Now P is 12, 2. Which option is the correct option? Either second one or fourth one. So once again you have to check the another one. Q is 13. Yes, 13, 6. Q is 13, 6. So maybe it is a fourth option is the correct option. Then once again you have to clarify with that. The R is 10, 3. So clearly we can say the fourth option is the correct option. So you know that how to check the coordinates. That is very important, children. So you have to understand it. Now D. What is the midpoint of the side QR when C is the origin? We have to find the midpoint of QR when C is origin. Q is 13, 6 and R is 10, 3. So these are the two values. Once again you have to use the same formula. It is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That's a midpoint formula. You all are studied in the coordinate geometry. Then substitute the values. 13 plus 10 divided by 2 and 6 plus 3 divided by 2. So the answer is 23 divided by 2 and 9 divided by 2. You will get the which option is the correct option. The option number 3 is the correct option. Next, at the last we have one question. It is E. The given problem is based on which mathematical concept? So three concepts are given. It is which one? Coordinate geometry. Second one is triangle and third one is similarity and fourth one is none of these. So this problem is related to coordinate geometry. So the answer is first option. It is coordinate geometry. So this is a one simple case study problem. So how we have to understanding, then you can see in this problem. So then next video I will send one more case study, that is case study question number 2 I will send. Please watch it. Thank you.